So hey everyone, Google has been planning to introduce its Google Pixel Watch from last year. It was originally supposed to be released alongside the Pixel 6 series, but that didn't happen. In any case, we are getting closer to Google I/O 2022. As a result, we are likely to hear more about Wear OS 3's arrival on additional smartwatches. Also, according to a new picture, the long-rumored Pixel Watch may soon be among them. The image was provided by leaker Evan Blass, who stated that it won't be long now. The image shows an interactive tutorial of Pixel Rohan. The watch is seen to be run Wear OS 3.1, and for those who don't know, Rohan is long been known as the initial codename for Pixel Watch. First, let's go through the features. If the Fitbit Sense is an indication, this bad boy is likely to save lives with the super advanced ECG monitoring technology, while also measuring stress levels, sleep quality, and dozens of various sorts of sports activities. That implies that a highly powerful CPU will be found behind the hood of the attractive and presumably sturdy Pixel Watch. However, there is a speculation that it may join the Tensor family. The Pixel Watch is also said to include a 32GB of internal storage similar to the Apple Watch Series 7, which means Google wants you to save more apps and stuffs up to twice as much the Galaxy Watch and Watch 4 Classic customers. And of course, we anticipate that the watch will run Wear OS 3 despite the fact that the image indicates Wear OS 3.1. Surprisingly, this lags significantly behind version 3.2, which is already available for the Galaxy Watch 4. It's unknown what the circumstances are behind this. Still, the image makes the idea of a Pixel Watch appear much more realistic, which will likely come a huge relief to Wear OS fans who have been following rumors for years. So far, the emulator has given us a peek of what we might anticipate from Wear OS 3 in its stock form. However, it appears that the upgrade together with the Pixel Watch will breathe fresh life into the finest Wear OS watches, as well as the platform as a whole. While Google has never been known for its ability to keep unannounced product hidden, the legendary Pixel Watch may be ready to set a new record for leaking into all its splendor supposedly more than a year ago without being public in the meantime. The marketing materials for the Pixel Watch has also been released by Jon Prosser. We all know what we are going to receive in terms of design. That sleek and slender circular dialer looks great in the picture. However, it will appear a bit different in real life than it does in the pictures. That's all we know about Google's upcoming smartwatch for now. Keep an eye out for more updates and breaking tech news just like this. And do leave your opinions on this Pixel Watch in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.